Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to check app permissions on your Android phone. App permissions control what an app can access on your device, such as your camera, microphone, location, contacts, photos, and files. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for Apps, App Management, or Applications. Tap on it to see the list of apps installed on your phone. Find the app you want to check and tap on it. For this tutorial, you can choose any app that you have installed. Once you open the app settings, look for an option called Permissions. Tap on Permissions. You will now see a list of permissions that the app can use. For example, you may see camera, microphone, location, contacts, photos and videos, or notifications. Tap on a permission to see whether it is currently allowed or denied. If you see a permission that you do not think the app needs, you can choose to deny it. For example, if an app does not need access to your location, you can tap Location and select Don't Allow. Some permissions may also give you additional choices. For location access, your phone may allow you to choose options such as Allow only while using the app or Ask every time. Choose the option that gives you the level of access you are comfortable with. You can also check the permissions for other apps on your phone. Simply go back to the apps list, select another app, and open its permission settings. Another useful option on some Android phones is Permission Manager. To find it, open Settings and search for Permission Manager. This allows you to see which apps have access to specific permissions, such as the camera, microphone, location, or contacts. Review these permissions regularly and remove access from apps that do not need it. This can help improve your privacy and give you more control over the information apps can access. Keep in mind that the exact names and locations of these settings may be different depending on your Android phone and Android version. If you cannot find a specific option, use the search bar in Settings and type Permissions. And that's it. You now know how to check and manage app permissions on your Android phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.